Yes, frugal friends, we do use a lot of the things that we find in the dumpsters. Not only things that we find in the dumpsters, like these fabulous little Disney cups, but also many of the treasures that our fabulous frugal friends send to us. Case in point, it's time to get ready for gardening. So I'm going to be using these adorable little cups with my freshly painted nails. Thank you for the fabulous nail polish. And we're going to plant some seedlings with the many seeds that our fabulous frugal friends have gifted us. It should be no surprise that I'll be labeling these cups with markers from the bins. Some of these are from the bins, and then others are from our frugal friends. And all of these seeds and loads more are from you guys. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Thank you. The garden is going to be amazing this year. P.S. You can follow the Frugal Family Gardening Adventures on our other channel, my personal channel, Frugal Mama's Time Out. Please tell us in the comments if you yourself are into gardening. Do you do edibles, fruit and veg, or are you more into the decorative? Myself, I am definitely more into the decorative, but I will be doing lots and lots of edibles, including all of these fabulous herbs and spices. I used up all of the little Mickey Mouse cups, but luckily I have several packages of these like little bowl cup things that we found in the party store dumpsters. So these will work perfectly. We'll get a bunch more of these seeds done, and then I have more of the seed starting soil on order from Amazon. That should be here in a couple of days, and then we will continue on doing more. There are going to be so many seedlings. I am so excited. It can be a little overwhelming, but also very therapeutic, so it's going to be a lot of fun. And of course, it is not just seeds and seed packets that we receive from our fabulous frugal friends, but so many wonderful gifts. Oh my goodness, you guys are so generous and so kind. And honestly, this week, you've kept me going between doing the seed packets and the puzzles and putting up so many fabulous mementos and decorations, specifically of the Disney variety, throughout the house, plus all of these wonderful spoons and postcards. These busy work kind of things, they really keep me going. And where I had that horrible dental experience this week getting my tooth fixed, this has been wonderful for me. I can't thank you guys enough. Here is a look at some of the many treasures that you guys have gifted us and where they have ended up in our home. Did you spot Rafiki right there? He's kind of hiding a little bit on that shelf, but he's there and happy to be there. We are happy to have him and the many other treasures. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, frugal friends, and we will see you all very soon.